Hi, this is Sue Polinsky from Tech Triad, and the tutorial right now is going to be how to edit the footer on a page when the footer is not really part of the page but a separate file that we call an include. Now, I am currently looking at the home page of our test site. I'm going to edit the page and show you what you've probably seen before, that when you scroll down to the bottom of an editable page, you learn that the footer is not editable. So what we're going to do is cancel this edit, because this isn't what I want to do. I want to edit the page that only contains the footer. Now, if you're working with Tech Triad, we'll tell you exactly where your footer is, but chances are it's in a folder called Includes, and it probably has the name footer.html. Now, I can't expect you to remember that, but we will tell you that if you contact us if you don't know where your included files are. Sites built in the last 2-3 years, it's probably in Includes. If they're older than that, it could be somewhere else. So I press the go button, and there I am. I have my footer, and it's pretty plain, and it doesn't actually look like the footer after it publishes, but if I get the text right, I'm good. So I'm going to edit the footer. Now we're in editing mode, and I want to tell people that this is really the phone number, so I'm going to say phone. And I should really include the fax number, so I'm going to say fax and type in my fax number, which is always hard to remember, and I can go ahead and publish the page, and that will update my entire site. Every page that uses the footer, and I'm going to use the back button to go back to the home page and scroll down and refresh this page, and we will have an updated footer. Now, let's say what I wanted to do was go to the About Us page. There's my footer. And I notice that I'm not linked on my Follow Us on Facebook link. To do that, I need to edit that same page, Includes footer.html. I go to edit the page, and I do the link in here exactly the way I do it any place else. Now, what I've learned by testing this a couple times is Contribute hangs up when I do this. But I'll show you how it works, and let's see if I can make the page work. It hangs up because it's a Facebook link. If I said create a link, browse to a web page, and I know my web page is facebook.com/techtriad. Now, nothing can happen until that preview loads. If you do anything before loading that preview, it will crash. But because I did this a few minutes ago, it was kind of in my memory, in my computer's memory. If you're doing this, you want to wait. Even if Contribute looks like it's going to crash, wait until it finds your Facebook page. But I want to do something else. I want to use my advanced area, and I want to open this in a new window. It'll open in a new window or a new tab depending on how people have their browsers set. But I don't want them to leave my site, but I do want them to see my Facebook page. So I click OK, and now I publish the page, and if I use my back button to go back to the previous About page, you'll see, whoops, maybe we should refresh this little page. We'll see that Facebook is now a link, and it is linked to the Facebook site that I told it to go to, and my updated information is here. So when you want to edit an include, in fact, when you want to edit a menu, which is also an include, you have to edit the specific page. That was a lot of information. Watch the screencast again. Contact us. We'll tell you where your includes are. Good luck. Have fun.